breathe in, my dear students. First breathe in ಮಾಡಿ. Slowly you breathe out. Take the second little longer breathe in. ಪೂರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And slowly you breathe out. Third one longest breathe in ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And slowly breathe out ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಚಂದ ಮಾಡಿ. Then with one round of applause shall we start quickly. ಗಟ್ಟಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು. ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ನನ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ? Yes, shall we get start with your today's topic loudly? Excellent. Yes. One minute time is there. Okay. Jeevan. Yes, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, clap ಹೊಡೆದ್ರಾ? Okay, done. Am I audible to all of you? Super. Is clap ಹೊಡೆದ್ರಾ? Wherever you are there? Yeah. Excellent. Clearly audible. Thank you. 4:59. There's 1 minute left. Okay. I'll do the revision what I did yesterday. Then I will continue. Super. Students, today very good evening to everyone. Namaste to all the students who are watching this particular session. Today I am discussing the continuation of the sequence and series. Please respond to me, all the students who joined. Please respond to me, all the students who joined. Are you able to hear clearly? Excellent. I started establishing the relation between the numbers, and I have given some examples, and the difference of two numbers, consecutive numbers one after other, the difference is same. I called as AP. The ratio, when you divide second by first, third by second, if that remains constant, we call GP. The terms are in AP, then if you reciprocate each term, then it becomes in HP. We worked out some formulae in AP, GP. We started with AP. The first formula we all learned to find out a particular, okay, that first term is A. All of you write along with me, or you write in your this one. First is A, correct. Number of terms is N. The common difference T2 minus T1 is D. A N D. With that, we decided to work out how do you find the nth term in AP. All of you repeat with me in your chat box. Nth term in AP formula is Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. I told you, what if you want to do the total of n terms? I want to do the sum of n terms. Sn, two formulae we discussed. First formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This can also be rewritten as the other set formula is n by 2, quick, a plus tn. Some books write Tn, the nth term, it is also as L. So n by 2, A plus L, L or Tn. We worked out some problems in AP. Nth term in AP and also sum of n terms. When you worked out nth term in AP, I told you there could be simultaneous equations you have to solve. There will be A and D will be missing. To find out, you have to do simultaneous equations. And yesterday I was very clear to tell you, if there are any complicated working, the best way to approach, don't solve by question, go by option. Take option and verify it. There's one problem I told you, 3 terms in AP, sum is so much, product is so much. First check whether options are in AP. Check it out whether by adding will you get that sum, by multiplying will you get that. Substitution is the best method. Golden rule to crack your quant, that is business math, stats and reasoning. And many of the other cases when multiple choice question comes, don't solve but substitute. Take from option and plug into the question. There's an easy method to solve any competitive examination, including chartered accountancy, where multiple choice questions are given to you. Yeah, and I was mentioning to all of you, when question is reverse, they give you, very ulta pulta, you also do from answer to question rather than question from answer. Students, with that, I'll be moving on to the next working today, wherein I'll be working out more problems in SN. Post that, I'll be discussing to you geometric progression. Is that okay? All of you, is that okay? All of you are ready with your all the computations, notes, everything? I always say that you have to have a very clear, good notes with you, so that you will be able to glance all the discussions in the particular note. And questions will be, once the class gets over, immediately questions will be supplied to you, where you can just leave the space for question and you can fill it. Is that okay to all the students? Excellent. So now I will go to the next problem. All of you refer the problem. All of you refer the problem. The question goes this way. How many terms? All of you are able to refer this question? All of you are able to refer this question? Okay. How many terms of the series 10, 9, 2 by 3, 9, 1 by 3 plus 9, etc., which will amount to 155? Shall we get started, students? Shall we work out? Quickly, some response from you. Okay. Is it visible to all of you? Excellent. So, question is here 10, 9, 2 by 3, 9, 1 by 3, 9, etc., which will make the total 155. You know that last discussion was this: sum of all numbers between 500 and 1000 which are divisible by 13, and all. I hope that all of you had this question. If any confusion is there, if you not received the question, please get from our coordinators. Today's question is here: how many terms of the series? How many terms of the series? How many terms of the series will make the total 155? Solution. Okay. Solution goes this way. This is it in AP? 10, 9, 2 by 3, 9, 1 by 3. Is it in AP? The difference is, let us look at the difference. 10 and 9, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 difference. So, 9, 2 by 3 minus 10. If you work it out, student, 3 9s are 27 plus 2, 29 by 3 minus 10. Finally, it comes down to 29 by 3 minus 30, which comes to minus 1 by 3. So, and same 9 2 by 3, 9 1 by 3. Again 1 by 3 less, 1 by 3 less. So, therefore, difference remains constant. Therefore, it is AP. So, we know it is AP. Like that, if you do the total, how many terms, look at here, how many terms of the series will make the total 155? Shall we work it out now? Okay, I will do the working here. The question is 10, 9, 2 by 3, etc., up to how many terms will make it 155? So, can you tell me what is this 155? What is that 155? Is it the term or the sum? Please answer. It is sum, because it is the total. How many terms of the series which will amount to 155? That means the total is 155. So, our working Sn is equal to 155 Sn. They asked how many terms, that we don't know. Difference, as I worked out here, it is minus 1 by 3. Can you tell me what is the first term? First number, first term, A is equal to 10. Sum Sn formula, as you know, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference d. Please go on, work along with me. Are you there with me? All of you are taking down? All of you are taking down? Single letter S or N? Super. Sn, I will write 155. Aram se will do, no problem. N, we don't know. We are finding out by 2. 2 into A value 10 plus N, again I don't know. Common difference D is equal to minus 1 by 3. So next step, let me know all of you have taken this step. Some response? Okay. Next step will be cross multiply these two. You know divide will be multiplied. 155 into 2 will be 310. N 20 plus into minus, I can do no, plus into minus, minus n minus 1 by 3. I just simplified that. Next step, 310. Okay, I can stop here, or I can continue also, but I will just stop here. Students, please observe, please observe. Here you have n, all of you observe, you have n here. I have to multiply and make it a quadratic, n into n become a quadratic equation, and you have to solve. Don't you think it takes more time to solve? Fast, please answer to me. When you multiply it and you make it a big, n into n becomes n square. It is a quadratic equation. This is where many students will take lot of time to solve. As I said, don't solve, substitute. Don't solve, substitute, because you have an option. Entire equation chapter, no dear student, just substitute. I repeat once again, entire equation chapter, just substitute. So what I will do, instead of solving this, instead of solving for n, I will substitute. What is your first option? All of you tell me, what is your first option? N is equal to 29. Let us verify, is that correct? We have to get 310, okay? 310, I don't know that n value 29 right or wrong, I will take 29. 20 minus, use calculator, 29 minus 1, 28. Calculator fast, fast, fast. 28 by 3, all of you do it. 28 by 3, 3 9s are 27, is it 9.3333? Okay, 20 minus that, and multiply, check whether you will get 310. 20 minus that value into 29, tell me whether you will get 310. All of you tell me what is that last answer you get. 29, 20 minus 28, you get around 309.33. So definitely, as you said, this is small mistake, so you are not getting, you will get 309. I wanted to get 310. So 29 is wrong. 309 point you got, I should get 310. So it should be little more than 29, logic. So let us try for 30. I will try for 30. Shall we try for 30? N is equal to 30. So n value 30. 20 minus 30 minus 1, 29 by 3. Calculator. All of you use calculator. 30 into 20 minus 3 9s are 27, so 9.6666. All that you take, use calculator and tell me, will you get 310.000? Almost 2 you get. So you will get 310. Conclude your answer. Conclude your answer. What? First, for n is equal to 30, you got the correct answer. Conclude your answer. Fast, all of you have to answer to me. What is the last answer, final answer? No response from you, boys and girls. Where are you? Everyone should answer. Super. As majority you said n is equal to 30, you are wrong. This is how you will go wrong. This is how you have to be really careful. When it comes to multiple choice questions, you have to glance all the 4 answers. Please, I will ask you an important question to all of you. Students, please let me know. Please let me know. Please listen here. Little more concentration from you. Students, please let me know. For one question in MCQ, how many correct answers will be there? How many correct answers will be there? You should tell me. There will be 4 choices, no? Correct? No? How many correct answers? Could be 1. Okay. Could be 2. Could be 3. That's why many times they give you all of the above. Hello, 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 hello. All of you are there. All of you are able to follow me. Listen, listen, listen carefully. That's why, dear student, it is not choosing the correct answer. It is the most appropriate answer. Are you able to follow? It is not the correct answer. Most appropriate answer you have to choose. Therefore, for one question, there could be one answer, two answer, three answer, all the above or none of this. This way, you have to read all that options very correctly and clearly. What happened here? Here you tried with the 30, you got the answer, you are happy, but you did not analyze that there is a fourth answer, B or C. B is correct. There could be C also. We don't know. Shall we all try that C also? C is saying 31. C says 31. All of you try for n is equal to 31. All of you try for n is equal to 31. Quick. N is equal to 31. Just like here, if you substitute 31 into 20 minus 31 minus 1, 30 by 3. So, 31 into 20 minus 10, which is 10. 10 into 31, 310. 10 into 31, 310. Hope all of you got that answer also. Whether all of you got that 310? So what did you catch then? What was the point to be caught? N can be. Akash or Shetty, I tried n is equal to 30 in this working. I tried n is equal to 30. I tried n is equal to 31. So therefore, many times in MCQ, this is what you go wrong. You look at that answer and you conclude. You have to read all the questions. That's why n is equal to 30 and this n is equal to 31. Both are correct. Therefore, as you said B is the answer, no. B also correct. C also correct. Both are holding good. That's why the right answer choice is D. I hope all of you clear with this. So, Prajwal want me to, okay, you did not understand, I repeat it. So, I just slowly start from here. This is the question, how many terms of the series? How many terms of the series? Once again. Okay. How many terms of the series will make the total 155? Okay. I started with n is equal to, I just worked out Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Worked out, we got this step. Tried with the 29, we failed. 29 not happened. Tried with 30, it is correct, 310. Substitute, just substitute in this 30, 20 minus 30 minus 1, 29 by 3, solve it, you will get 310. Try with 31, 31 minus 31 into 20 minus 31 minus 1, that is nothing but 30 by 3. This becomes 10, 10 into 33. So, you get for C also correct, B also correct. B and C both holds good. Without any doubt, both the answer holds good. But in a hurry, if you n is equal to 30 and you tick the answer, n is equal to 30 and you tick the answer, you are wrong. Because even 31 also holds good. So, conclusion, okay, Prajwal asking how you got minus 1. One second. How you got minus 1 by 3? Minus 1 by 3 is the common difference. That is second one minus first one. When you do second one minus first one, second is 9 2 by 3. Second is 9 2 by 3 minus 10. Once again, 9 2 by 3 minus 10. If you simplify, it is 29 by 3 minus 10. Simplify it, 3 tens are 30, 20 minus 30, so minus 1 by 3. Values are decreasing, it is minus 1 by 3. Okay, finally, finally, no, most appropriate, all those you should not work out. You should work out and tell me what is the right answer. So I'm just showing the answer to all of you. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear to all of you? Are you able to follow? If yes, I will proceed then. Just I wanted to explain a little more, but just let us conclude this first. Excellent. Sai Sharan Shetty, understood? Fine. Doubt is there, Sai Sharan? Super. If everyone completed, then shall I proceed? Shall I proceed? I will not go for next problem, but I will go little further in the same. Students, in this problem of 10, then it is 9 2 by 3, 9 1 by 3, etc. We know that it is BRC. Actually, why it is BRC? Listen carefully. Why it is BRC? What could be the reason that you get BRC? I'll explain here. The question, when you worked out, you got this working, right? You got n by 2 into 20 minus n minus 1 by 3 is equal to 310. Listen, when you multiply, and you can simplify, oh, it is n here multiply, okay, this n by 2 multiplied already, 155 by 2, it is into 2, 310. See here, this is what the step. Okay. So, you get this step. Next step will be, you multiply. When you multiply that, I don't want to write everything, 20n, n into n square. So, it becomes n square. Some n square you will get. Tell me, moment it is a square, power of unknown is square, it becomes what kind of equation? Some schooling maths, most of your learning is basically from 5th standard to 10th standard. Whether all of you had maths in your 5th to 10th? Hello, response? Everyone should have, right? Okay. So, n square it becomes, moment it becomes n square, it is a quadratic equation. Do you remember quadratic equation? Standard form? Hello, some response from you. Am I audible to all of you? Where are you, boys and girls? Responding? Okay. Oh my God. You answered, I have not been able to make it. You remember, excellent. It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Do you know the formula? And if you solve it, always listen carefully. Power decides how many roots it has. Power, unknown power decides how many solutions it has. Power is 1. Linear, it is one solution. Power is 2, quadratic, power is 2, right? Power is 2 here, you can make out. Power is 2, means 2 solutions. Power is 3, 3 solutions. Since it is a quadratic equation, this solution is, there are 2. You will get 2 answers. Assume one answer is 3, other answer is minus 5. You may get any answer. Tell me, number of roots, number of solutions, number of terms. How many terms are there in the series? It can be positive, but it cannot be negative. How many terms are there? How many students are there? Minus 5? No, it is meaningless. Number of terms can be 3. Suppose if I get, therefore, the negative should be eliminated. Now, if I get 3 and it is, let us consider 7 by 5. Can it be a fraction number of terms? 1, 2, 3. You cannot tell fraction. This is also wrong. Therefore, it should be whole numbers. It should be positive whole numbers, positive integers. It should be natural number 1, 2, 3. Like that you should have. Hope all of you clear with this. Now, if at all you have 30 and 31, number of terms 30 or 31. Can it happen? Yes, because either numbers could be 30 or numbers could be 31. That's why n is both are positive integers, both are natural numbers. That's why n can be 30 or 31. Two answers because it is a quadratic equation. One single letter yes if you understood my explanation. So can all of you write in your notebook? Can all of you write? N cannot be negative and n cannot be fraction. N cannot be negative, n cannot be fraction. If you say yes, I will proceed. That means it should be a positive integer. Here, in this case, if at all you got one positive, one negative, or one fraction, then obviously you would have ended up with only one answer. Since both are positive integers, it cannot be decimal also. Fraction is also a decimal. Since both are positive integers, that's why the question paper setter cleverly added either B or C. B and C both are in the positive integer. Assume, let us consider in this option C, they are given 31 by 5. Then can it be B or C? Even your quadratic equation, even if it gives you 30 or 31 by 5, even if that substitution holds good, you cannot take 31 by 5. Because number of terms cannot be fraction, number of terms cannot be negative. But unfortunately, in this case, both B and C are positive. That's the reason, positive integer. That's why B or C is the right answer. So please do conclude to me. All of you write down and let me know. First of all, it is AP and correct answer is, you have to write big bold. A, B, C, D, final conclusion what we arrived. D for Dinesh Karthik. Okay, super. Delhi, super. Excellent. Dhoni, super. Okay. When I tell cricket, you are so much. D for Dosa, all right. Vallesh says D for Dolitai. Super. Shall we go for next one? All right. Very interesting characters are here. Shall we go for next question? Super. Shall we go for next question fast? 8th question on your screen. So concluding, if you want to take the photograph, you can take. Some of you are still in Doraemon. Okay. Please take the answer. Please take the answer. I will go to the next one. Some signal. Shall we go further? All of it quickly take down and let us work out the next one. Understood. Battery is low. My battery is fully charged, but yeah. Okay, no problem. Just wait for 1 second. Just 1 second, you just work out that. Now I'll give you an interesting, I'll give just 1 or 2 seconds, I'll be there. Okay. Shall we? Students, I will ask you a small question. I have given you, listen carefully, I have given you, listen, all of you are able to listen to me? Okay. Let us see who is going to answer this. I have given you 155 rupees today. I have given you how much rupees today? 155. Okay. That's what the question number 8 on your screen. Question number 8 on your screen. I should pay rupees 155 to my friend. I am agreed to pay rupees 10 on first day. Request all of you to mute your videos. Asif, okay. Right. So I should pay rupees 155 to my friend. I am agreed to pay rupees 10 on first day, 9 2/3 on second day, 9 1/3 on third day, and so on. How many days my debt will be cleared? This is just how the application question comes. So I have borrowed from you. So I have borrowed from my friend. First day I will pay 10. Next I will pay 9 2/3, 9 1/3. So in how many days I will pay that debt or loan of 155? Tell me, is this question same as the previous question? Fast. Is this question same as the previous question? Yes, very good. Very happy about all your. Tell me now, in the last one, what was BRC, 30 or 31? Tell me here, what is your right answer? What is your right answer? All should type. I wanted to, this is how your application questions will come. Super. Excellent. So as all of you said, either A or B, A or B. So what is the right answer? What is the right answer? All should answer, otherwise I will not leave you. All should answer. Fastest finger on your chat box. Everyone should tell. If you missed one student also, I will not go further. We will do bhajans here. Excellent. Everyone? Yeah, super. As you said, 90% of the students said answer is D, because it is ARB. It is ARB. It is ARB. Now listen here. I will explain you little further. All of you listen here. All of you listen here. Students, it is not ARB. It is not ARB. Students, it is not ARB. Can you guess why it is not ARB? Though the entire working was same, the question was same, but still I am saying it is not ARB. Very interestingly. This is how your question comes very tricky to you. This question, I said 30 or 31. Whereas this question, same question, the same person, Gopal, telling it is not 30 or 31. Because it is an application question. It is an application question. I'll try to give you one nice example. I'll try to give you one nice example. Hello, all of you are there? You have to answer to me. I'll give you a nice example, different example. I borrowed, you borrowed from me. Listen carefully. You borrowed from me. Not required. You can go back. You borrowed from me altogether 9 rupees. How much you borrowed from me? All of you type 9. And I told you to pay first day 4, go on reduce 1 rupee less. So tell me, first day 4 rupee, next day you pay 1 rupee less, so 3 rupee. Next day you pay 1 rupee less, 2 rupee. In 3 days you repay my 9 rupee, 4 plus 3 plus 2. Will you all agree with me? You repay my 9 rupees in 3 days. Yes, no? Okay. So, write, all of you write, as I am writing here. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9. Any doubts you have? 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9. Any doubts you have? No. But I will make that AP, just continue like this, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1. Now how interesting it is. Now also do the total. 4 plus 3 plus 0, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1. Still it is 9. Both the case it is 9. Tell me whether both are in AP. First, whether both are in AP. Both are in arithmetic progression. Tell me. Yes. Both the series are in AP. 1 less. Both the case total is 9. Tell me how many terms make the total 9 now. So n is equal to 3. n is equal to 3 or n is equal to 6. N is equal to 3 or n is equal to 6. N is equal to 3 or n is equal to 6. Super. Listen carefully. If it is a algebraic solving, if they ask you 4 plus 3 etc., how many terms to makes the total 9, then you have to tell me answer either 3 or 6. Both are positive integer, answer is 3 or 6, so you can conclude D. Both A or B, or 3 or 6 is the answer. But if it is an application question, tell me in how many days. It's not an first case, how many terms makes the total 9, 3 or 6. But if the same thing given, you have to repay me 4 rupee first day, then 3 rupee, it goes on. How many days, in how many days you repay me 9 rupee? If it is an application question, can you tell like that 3 or 6? Meaningless. In 3 days you pay. Look at here also 9, here also 9. Assume after 3 days, when you repay me 9 rupee, will you pay 1 rupee extra? Gopal sir, no, my friend, will you give? No, you don't pay it, you have cleared the money. So 1 rupee, next day you don't pay. Then next day will you take back that 1 rupee back? Rational person will not do like this. Hope all of you understood. Do you agree with me? All of you will agree with me. And once you give me 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9, next day you will give me 1, then do you think I repay you? I don't do that. So what I want to share all of you students, if it is an application question, in 3 days you paid back my 9 rupee, why you pay again? If it is an algebraic question, then 3 or 6. If it is an application question, it is 3, not or 6, not comes. So concluding, in this case, if it is an application question, you tell me, is it 3 or is it 3 I should take, or both of the answer I should take? I should take only 3, because I clear off that 9 rupee in 3 days. I clear off the money in 3 days. Then I will not continue that working, because, and other reason also, please make out other 3 terms. If I do the total 1 plus 0 plus minus 1, this total is still 0. That's why above also 9, next also 9, because the next one there are positive and negative, the sum becomes 0. Therefore, I will not practically do like this. So, what is the catch? What did you catch from this example? If it is algebraic 3 or 6, is that clear to you? If it is an algebraic question 3 or 6, both can be the answer, 3 or 6. If it is an application question, not both, you have to take least of these two, 3 or 6, whichever is less, because in 3 days you clear my money, 3 only. That is the reason, here, in this case, all of you are able to make out the question. So, as you said, 30 or 31, that both will give the answer. But I cannot take 30 or 31. I have to take least of 30 or 31. Tell me now, is it A or B or C or D? Now tell me which is the right answer. That time all of you said, or 90% of the students, D you said. No. Application question cannot be 30 or 31. It is the least. So the right answer is only 30. Right answer is only 30. So concluding answer, tell me. Some of you said 29. No. 30 or 31 holds good. 30 or 31 holds good. 30 or 31 holds good, but least of these two, earlier also 30 or 31, here also 30, but application question, in those two, least one you have to choose. So finally, conclusion, the answer is, can you conclude me the answer? First you tell me, all of you agree with me, 30 only. 30 only, the least is 30. Any guess why it could be 30 or 31? 30 or 31? Shall I answer? Why it is? See, 9 2 by 3, 9 1 by 3, if you go on do it, listen carefully, then in 29th day, listen carefully, 29th day it is 2 by 3. Okay, 28th day it is 1. 28th day it is 1. Next 29th day 1 less. What is 1 less? 1 by 3 less. So it is 2 by 3, 29th day. 30th day 1 by 3. If you do the total, you get 155. 1 by 3. 31 could be what answer? 1 by 3 again less. 1 by 3 again less. Deduct 1 by 3. 1. So 1 by 3 less means 2 by 3. Again deduct 1 by 3. 1 by 3 answer. 1 by 3 again deduct 1 by 3. 0. So 30 terms total. 30 terms total is 155. The next one term is 0. This is 155 plus 0. So what is your answer? 155 only. But when did you clear your loan debt? In 30 days you cleared. Then that 0 is no meaning. Hope all of you understood. All of you understood. So I will give one nice statement to you. Note. So I hope that all of you clear with this. Shall we continue now then? Note. Shall we continue that note first? Write in your notebook. This problem is similar to the previous question. All of you write. This problem is similar to previous one. This problem is similar to previous one. Hope all of you writing with me. N is equal to 30 or 31. N is equal to 30 or 31. But in application problems, we should consider least of 30 or 31. Therefore, answer N is equal to 30. N is equal to 30. If you solve, you will get both 30 or 31. Practically, application problem, there cannot be two answers. There has to be one answer. Though both are positive, you have to choose the least. In this case, that 31 is there, no, that extra one number, that is 0. That's what it is not making sense. If it is example 30 or 33, 30 will give you the required answer. Next 3 will be, that 30 will give you example 155. I am just assuming, here it is not the case, just assuming. Then 30 terms. Next 3 terms, no, if you do the total, it is 0. 155 plus 0 will still give 155. As I said that time we got, very practically we understood. You have taken me 9 rupee. In first 3 days, 4 plus 3 plus 2, you clear 9 rupee. If you make 6 days, 4 plus 3 plus 2, then 1 plus 0, then minus 1. Here also you will get the total 9. But N cannot be 6 because you cleared off in first 3 days. These 3 total still make 0. That's why the last answer comes same. Hope all of you very clear with this. Everyone clear with all this? Super. So, okay. So, to conclude, please make a note if at all you are not written. This is similar to previous one. N can be 30 or 31, But in application problems, you should consider least of those two. If at all they are positive. If one is positive, one negative, that is however deal it. That question only will not arise. When both are positive integers, then you have to take least of these two. So concluding so finally I will tell you, when you get both positive integers, what is the conclusion? For algebraic, both is the answer. For algebraic, both is the answer. For application or practical problem, least of those two is the answer. Rizwan Rafiuddin, you are telling it comes to 310.02. I think you approximated, Rizwan, the decimal, whatever you get 0.66, you continue full. 0.666, all 6 you take and then work out. You get 310.0000, almost 310 you get. So 30 and 31 in both the case, that 2 paise, no, if you continue working out, you will get much, not 310.0, you will get 310.0000. Since you work out calculator, I just give you an example. All of you do 29 by 2, all of you do 29 by 3. It is 9.6666. All of you do 29 by 3. 3 9s are 27. 9.6666. Now, sometime you take 2 decimals, sometime you take 4, sometime you take more. Based on that, you get the answer. Super. So, I think I have concluded here. So, we will go for 8th question. So, how tricky it comes. First case, both B or C are both 30 or 31. Same when it came to application problem, we concluded it is not B or both 30 or 31 is not the answer. Least of those two is the answer. In practical problem, both cannot be the answer. I'll go to the next one. If you are ready, Asif Syed, I think you have to mute or something. Unmute and mute it again, the video, you will get proper. Shall we go for 9th question? Shall we go for 9th question? This is similar to the previous one. Again, you have to work out here. Let us look at the question. A man repays 3250 by paying ₹20 in first month and increases the payment by 15 increases. How long will it take to clear the loan? So, all of you tell me, a man repays 3250. How, okay, Rafat Nihad, one question. How can we recognize is an application problem or algebra? Number of terms is how much? That is algebraic, normal, n solving. If I give you a practical question, you borrowed from me 155, you have to repay. This is an application question. If they give 10, 9, 2 by 3, 9, 1 by 3, how much will make 155? Algebraic question. Same I tell you, first day 10 rupee, next. So it is an application, real life example. Okay, I will go to question number 9. I think that I clarified about what is algebraic, what is application question. A man repays 3250, all of you refer the question 9 on your screen. By paying ₹20 in first month, increases the payment by 15 every month. How long will it take to clear the loan? Okay, shall we answer, students? Tell me, first month. First month, all of you tell me, how much is to be repaid? No, working I will do later. First month, how much to be repaid? 20. Second month, 15 rupee extra. Second month, how much to be repaid? 35. Third month, again 15 rupee extra, 15. Tell me 20, 35, 50 goes on. Is it AP? Is it GP? Which one? Not given. That's what is an application. It is an AP. Tell me 3250, is it the last term or the total? A man repays, he borrowed, all his installment monthly should total to 3250. It is total. Therefore, I will write 20 plus 35 plus ... 50. All the total should make total is 3250. You know the formula, it is SN. Whenever it is total Sn, tell me the formula. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference. Can you all let me know how do you work it out? Substitute. What is Sn? What is the total? How much total he has to repay? 3250. N by 2, don't know. No need to solve, substitution. 2 into, what is the value of A? First letter, first number, 20. Plus N you don't know, don't worry. D, common difference. Positive 15 or negative 15? Positive or negative? Positive. Any reason it is positive? Values are increasing. 20, 35, 50, increasing. So it is positive. Cross multiply. 3250 into 2. It is 6500. N into 20 into 2, 40, plus n minus 1 into 15. You don't have to worry too much. Just substitute the options. 1.5 years. 1.5 year means how many? It is month wise, no? It is month wise. Monthly. First month, second month. So how many months? 1.5 year. How many months? 18 months. Shall we put n is equal to 18 months? Just put n is equal to 18. Verify. 6500, 18, 40 plus 18 minus 1, 17 into 15. Let me know whether it matches. Whether it matches. Tell me yes or no. Stay, you have to tell me. It's not matching? Super. So if you work it out, 17 into 15, 17 into 15, 255 plus 40 into 18. Your answer will be 5310. You will not get the required answer. This is not 6500. Whether you try with next option B, all of you try with 1 year 9 months. What is 1 year 9 months? 1 year 9 months. 21 months. Substitute 21. I'll redo it again here. 21 first. 21, 40 plus 21 minus 1, 20 into 15. Calculator, 15 into 20, 300 plus 40. From here you have to go. 40, 340 into 21. Tell me what is your answer? What is your answer? All should try fast. Hope if you just look at me and write, no use. You have to work along with me so that you get the joy of getting the answer. Just because someone is telling you don't, you work and let me know. 7140, super. Shall I go? Then 7140 is not what I wanted. So A delete, B delete. Shall I try with C? C has to be the answer, otherwise D has to be the conclusion. I don't know C or D, I'll go for C. 1 year 18 months, so how much? 1 year 8 months, 1 year 8 months, 12 plus 8, 20. Substitute 20, 40 plus 20 minus 1, 19 into 15. Work from here, this is how multiply and then add. 19 into 15 is a 285 plus 40, you will get 325 into 20. You got the answer 6500. 6500. Whether you got the answer? Therefore, right answer is C. So 20 months or 1 year 8 months. Go on, do it. You will get 6500. There is another method which I just, not a better method to go, but this is the solving substitution is better method. But still, all of you use calculator. All of you use calculator. All of you are using calculator. Yes, no. First day 20, second day plus 35, third day plus 50, then 15 more plus 65. Like that, go on, do it. When it comes exactly 18, the total comes to. Every time you don't do it, plus you do. Check out where you get 3250. Exactly you get for 20 months. When you do 20 computation, total becomes 3250. Try in home. So conclusion, finally you write, it is an AP problem, application of AP, correct answer is C. Previous exam question, this is exactly the previous exam question. Shall we go further? One small problem that completes AP, then I will go for one puzzle to all of you. That calculator method, it takes little more time because every time you have to work it out and decide. Go for 10th question. Go for 10th question. In an AP, SN is given. The value of the common difference is what? A very interesting question. All of you refer the question and I will work it out. In AP, they are given SN. Okay. Do you know this one? Okay. 20, 35, 50, etc. Tell me, what is the total of 3 terms? What is the total of 3? Different example, okay. What is the total of 3 terms? First. 105. What is the difference of 2 terms? What is the difference of 2 terms? First, 55. Can you tell me 3 terms total is 105, 2 terms total is 55. What is the third term? What is the third term? Difference is third term, 50. Do you agree with me? Third term is 50. Again, what is S1? First term. What is the sum of first term? Only one term. That has to be only one term. 20. Tell me, sum of first term or first term, one and the same, no? It is 20. First 2 terms 55. Tell me, what is the second term? 20 and 55. What is the second term? 20 and 55. What is the second term? T2 is equal to 35. So if you know like this, you will be able to identify the terms. Once you are able to identify the terms, then definitely you will be able to find out the common difference. I will do the method. I will do the method. Some of you might not have understood, but I will slowly do. Don't worry. So what I will do, Sn, look at my working, Sn is equal to, you write along with me the question, 2n square plus 3n. Put n is equal to 1, means S1. What is S1? Sum of first term. Substitute 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1, 2 plus 3. What is your answer? 5. Any doubts so far? No. Excellent. Now, do you, okay, I will do S2. Work out S2, n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 square. 3 into 2. So, 8 plus 6. So, is it 14? 8 plus 6, 14. Super. Now, you tell me S1, always you remember this, always you remember S1 and T1 are same. It's only like that. First term and sum of first term is same because there is only one term. Please tell me, understood or not? 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. S1 is what? 10. First term is what? T1 is 10. That means first term and the sum is always equal. S1 and T1 are always equal. I mean to say, whenever you have S1, it is equal to T1. Note down, S1 is equal to T1 is equal to A. All of you write down, box it. S1 is equal to T1 is equal to A. So what is the first term? Quick, what is the first term? 5. You know, first term is 5. First 2 terms total, I will write a box here. First 2 terms total, this and this. S2 means sum of 2 terms. That is giving you 14. Can you tell me, first term is 5, First and second term together total is 14. What is the second term? Shall I do one step? T2 is equal to S2 minus S1. 14 minus what? 14 minus 5. How much is 14 minus 5? 9? Okay. Don't conclude as the answer. Huh? In a hurry you conclude as the answer. No. Now we'll write. What is the first term? T1, T2. Tell me, what is the first term? I will not tell. What is the first term? 5. Super. First two terms 14, second term identified. What is the second term? 9. And goes on. Can you tell me, first term is 5, second term is 9. What is the common difference? It became an AP. What is the common difference? D is equal to T2 minus T1. Answer 9 minus 5, 4. Please take down quickly. Is this okay? All of you taken this? I slowly explain. Sn is given. Put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. S1 means sum of first term gives you 5. S2 sum of two terms gives 14. So S1 and T1 are same. So that is equal to S1 T1 and that is equal to A. And we arrived nothing but, we found out that is nothing but T1 is nothing but what? 5. Then what is T2? I know two terms total 14. First term is 5. 5 plus something will give you 14. So second term is what? 5 plus what will give you 14? So it is 9. Then I came to know T2 is S2 minus S1, 9. T1 is 5, T2 is 9. 5, 9. Can you tell me next term in the series? Plus 4, no? 13. Like that it goes on. Therefore, I know 5 first term, I know second term 9. Therefore, the difference is, common difference in AP is 9 minus 5, 4. What about S2? S2 and T2 are not same. S2 how do you get? You just substitute. S2 means substitute 2, 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2. Go on, solve it, you get 14. Is it clear, Abdullah? Just put n is equal to 2 in that, you will get 14. S2 means first term and second term put together 14. Correct. T1 plus T2 is equal to S2. These all questions will come to you, don't worry. Have you taken this solution? Please let me know, have you taken this solution? Super. Okay. Chandan Gowda. 5 minus 14 we get 9 as common difference. No, sir. Yeah, that's what. No. 5 and 14 difference is the second term. Okay. Shall I give one puzzle to all of you? Shall I give one puzzle to all of you? All of you ready? Definitely someone. Prabhuji ka level only different it seems. Okay, excellent. Jivan, symbol is coming there. Arafat telling Laddu has not reached its Corona, no, so after Corona it will come. Okay, Sunita Pai finding interesting day by day. Thank you. All of you are ready? Okay, this is a very interesting puzzle. Just 1 second. just recall the, just recall all that workings. Give me time, 1 second. I will just recall whatever we discussed so far. Yes. Okay. And you have to be really, first who is going to tell is going to get a nice book from us. All of you ready? 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 All of you just want to know how much you are excited about the puzzle. All of you are able to hear me? Super. All of you are ready? Super. Okay. A bird shooter, after hunting so many birds, after having so many birds in his bag, he was walking. Repeat, bird shooter has some birds in his bag. And you asked him, how many birds are there? And his answer was like this. How many birds are there? He told, there are some sparrows, there are some pigeons, there are some ducks. There are some sparrows, there are some pigeons, there are some ducks. Immediately, he also told this sentence, which I will not repeat. You asked, how many birds each? And he told, all are sparrows except 9. All are sparrows, all are sparrows except 6. I repeat, all are sparrows except 6. And all are pigeons except 6. All are ducks except 6. I repeat the sentence. All are sparrows except 6. All are pigeons except 6. All are ducks except 6. If it is the case, you have to tell me how many birds each and total how much. Omkar is the first one to answer. Okay. Total how much? How much each birds? 6 each, total 18. No. 9 total, 6 each. No. Super. Excellent. Huh? Very good, very good. Anyone told you this puzzle earlier? So interestingly, quickly you worked out. Anyone told you? No. You are all intelligent. Excellent. Super. And today's prize goes to Omkar. And first one very immediately to respond. Congratulations, Omkar. Good work. Excellent. Well done. Super. Can you all once clap to Mr. Omkar? One chance I will give it to you. Super. How is that answer? That I will tell. Yes? Good, good. Shall I explain the answer? One clap you all have to give, no, for Omkar. Possible now? Super. Some of you are congested to clap also. How you came to know, sir, what he wanted, what we wanted to clap for him? Okay, okay. Excellent. Shall I tell you the answer? All of you are there? Okay, the answer goes like this. 3 each will take. 3, 3, 3. What is the total? 9. There are 9 birds. Let us look at all are sparrows except 6. Out of 9, except 6, rest all are sparrows only, right? All are pigeons. In 9, all are pigeons except 6. These 3, 6. And all are ducks except these 6. That means 3, 3, 3. Is that clear to all of you? You all told, agree. Preksha 939. Excellent. You all told, but I can give only one first prize. Super. Vaishnavi also. Everyone, many of you told. Okay. Sunita Pai, okay, super, excellent. So congratulations to all of you and done great work, super. One more, okay. Okay, Arafat Nihad, okay, next time I'll try to work out, you will get that. Okay, super, super. All of you are enjoying? Okay, so 3 each is the answer. One more. Super. This question, let us see, this is about kind of a just a small application of your brain. Last question, and then I have to work little about. Let us see who is going to answer this. Are you able to see on the screen? Super. The last one, which you have to work quickly to me. Oh my God. Many have answered. This is difficult. Vallesh is the one to answer, I think. Let us see. Thank you, you are super responding. Now it became difficult for me to decide. I think who told first? as after a lot of confusion, finally Vallesh, as I said, the first name Vallesh is got the prize. Congratulations, Vallesh. Okay, super. Vallesh says 2 chocolates already due to him. Super. Congratulations, Vallesh. Done a great work. Other students, I know that many have answered so quickly, so it was difficult for me to decide. But a great work. Good efforts. Vallesh, congratulations. Yeah, others also. I told, no, many have told, but the first one tell is Mr. Vallesh. Prize is another book. Yes. Shall we go to the next question? Shall we go to the next question? Okay. How is that working? That I will tell. How is the working? I will tell. Please note, if you add these two, it becomes 90. 93 and 90 difference is 3. These 3 should together makes this total. 78, 38, 37 will make you 75. 79 and 75 difference is 4. Same way. 67, these two together it is 58. 67 minus 58, the right answer is 9. If you put 9, all these 3 together will make the same here also, Hope all of you clear. So the right answer is 9, and Vallesh is the first one to tell. Though there are many students told, it became so difficult for me to choose the answer, but the first answer goes to Mr. Vallesh. Congratulations, Vallesh. Shall we continue now? Yeah. So whatever method you do, last answer is what I am looking. So that completes your topic of AP, arithmetic progression done. Put heading in your notebook, geometric progression. All of you are writing, all of you write down geometric progression. Today's winners are 2 people, Mr. Omkar and Vallesh. No, Nayak Abhi, don't worry. His answer is only for this, I know. It's very clear. After telling my particular one, only he answered. You are so much intelligent. All right. Some of you wanted the laddus. Okay, laddus will come to you later. Okay, let us go to next question, next concept. All of you listen here. Hello. All of you are there with me? Super. Next is geometric progression. All of you write down geometric progression. All of you write down geometric progression. You know, in geometric progression, you are going to multiply the values. All of you know that. You are going to multiply it. Agree with me? Some response from you? Okay. Okay. Super. Can you unmute? Okay. Can you mute your video? Super. Okay. So today's the topic that I am discussing to all of you is the working of no, that's okay. That I will discuss in detail. That you don't worry. But listen carefully here, all boys and girls. Listen carefully. Discussion is about geometric progression. I will give an example. If the first term is 1 and the ratio is 2, then 1 into 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 496, 8192, 16,384. It goes on and on and on. It is just multiply, multiply, multiply every time. So the ratio here, it is basically T2 divided by T1. Repeat, repeat, repeat. All of you write in your chat box. I will take another 10 minutes and I will close it. Today I will end up with 6:30. Okay. So it is T2 divided by T1, not minus. In arithmetic progression, T2 minus T1. In geometric progression, T2 divided by T1. Can all of you do T2 divided by T1? Super. So that is the ratio that we are going to analyze. So as I said there, difference can be positive or negative. Here ratio can be more than 1 or less than 1. Do you all agree with me? Okay, I'll just take one example to illustrate your working here. Listen. I'll take, say let us consider 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. Can you all tell me what is the first term? Fastest finger on chat box. No prizes and laddus. Okay. Simple question. Jujube question. 3. What is that ratio T2 divided by T1? Can you all tell me T2 divided by T1? 6 divided by 3. So answer is 2. It is greater than 1. I'll give one more. 4, 6, 9, then it is 13.5 ... Tell me what is A? Obviously 4. What is the ratio? Tell me ratio. 6 divided by 4, 3 by 2, 1.5. Tell me, is this greater than 1? 3 by 2, is it greater than 1? 3 by 2, is it greater than 1? Yes, so it is greater than 1. Now I will give you next one. 256, 128, 64, 32, ... Tell me now. A is equal to 256. Boys and girls, are you there with me? Ratio is quick. T2 divided by T1. Kushiyagi ನೀವು 256 divided by 128. No. T2 divided by T1. T2 divided by T1. 128 divided by 256. It is 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2 or 0.5? Greater than 1 or less than 1? Is it greater than 1 or less than 1? Less than 1. So, in AP could be plus D or minus D. Ratio can be more than 1 or less than 1. R can be of two types. R can be greater than 1 or less than 1. That's all. Nothing to do. Just substitute in the relevant formula. So, student, now with this, shall we proceed then? In TN concept formula in GP, just like we worked out that time, first all of you take down this formula. Tn, nth term is equal to A r to the power n minus 1. A r to the power n minus 1. Only this you write. Nth term A r to the power n minus 1. All of you write in your chat box. Fastest finger on chat box. What is the formula? Nth term in GP. Hello, girls and boys, where are you? Ellidira? Okay. A r to the power. I know you will struggle to write that, but if you understand, it's fine. I will be able to make out. Super. Students, Sn formula is this, which I will be able to take later. So, as usual, A is equal to first term. R is equal to common ratio. Please note T2 by T1. N is equal to number of terms. Tn is equal to nth term. Sn is equal to Sn. So, what is that extra we learned? Instead of D, it is R. Instead of D, it is R. Instead of T2 minus T1, it is T2 divided by T1. Difference is the T2 minus T1. Ratio means, ratio is nothing but division. T2 divided by T1. That's all you have to note. Let us work out, and I will work out the sum formula later. Here we have a problem on working out with the A, R and N, nth term. There is a small question. Find the fifth term of the sequence 3, 6, 12 dot dot dot. First you tell me, is it the ratio same? 6 by 3 is equal to 2. 12 by 6, T3 divided by T2 is still same. Ratio is same. There is a common ratio. It is what? AP, GP, HP what? I will not tell. You only should tell. Don't tell me now, because sir we are discussing GP, it is GP. Don't know. So this problem is related to GP because there is common ratio. Hope you are writing with me. Just don't look at me. Please do write. Have you written it? Have you written it? So write down the concept 7. Problem on nth term are to find A, R and N in GP. I hope that earlier you have written the heading GP in that fifth term 3, 6, 12. So let us write the formula. Tn is equal to A R to the power n minus 1. A is equal to 3. R I will write here. What is R? What is R? Ratio T2 divided by T1. 6 divided by 3, 2. Greater than 1, less than 1, nothing important here. Later it is important. So it is 2 to the power n minus 1. Number of terms. Fifth term no 5. 5 minus 1. 3 into 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4, 16. 2, 4, 8, 16 into 3. 16 into 3, 48. Do you have this answer 48? Do you have this answer 48? So the right answer is B. Answer is B. Okay. Correct answer is B. One problem will do, and shall we wind up? B for Bharat. Question number 12. Find the 10th term of the series 9, 6, 4, etc. Students, first you tell me what is A. All of you tell me what is A. A. Find the 12th question. Find the 10th term of the series. All of you are able to see full? Okay. Now you will be able to see. Super. What is the ratio R? A is equal to first term 9. What is the ratio R? T2 divided by T1. Don't hurry. Clearly you write 6 divided by 9, which is 2 by 3. So A you know, R you know. Nth term, n is equal to 10. Let us write in 10. N is equal to 10. A R to the power n minus 1. It is 6 by 9. If you do 4 by 6, T3 by 2, still you get 2 by 3. So ratio is same, it is GP. Ratio is same, it is GP. Let us substitute A value, you all write along with me, 9 into ratio 2 by 3 to the power 10 minus 1. 9 2 by 3 to the power 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into 2 to the power, this you have to distribute the powers, 2 to the power 9 by 3 to the power 9. 9 is 3 to the power 2, this is 3 to the power 2, 2 to the power 9 by 3 to the power 9. So last answer, 2 to the power 9 divided by 3 to the power, have you know this? This 9 no, plus 2 when you bring down, it is 9 minus 2. Do you agree with me? Power when you bring down, it is minus. So finally you end up with 2 to the power 9 by 3 to the power 7. This is how it comes. Solve it. 2 to the power 9. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. Power is 512. Calculator. 3 to the power 7. 3 to the power 4. 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729, 729 into 3. Will you get 2187 in your calculator? Please respond to me. Okay, so tell me right answer is what then? What is the right answer? What is the right correct answer? 512 divided by 2187. Answer is C. So it is GP. Correct answer is C. Is this clear to all of you? Super. Students, that's what today's conclusion. Also, one YouTube link is sent to all of you, and for all your group, one YouTube link is sent. You can also watch the YouTube particular session, and request you to like the session if you liked it, and you can put the comments whatever you are understood, excited to know something new puzzles. Can all of you like the YouTube videos today? One single yes. Fast, one single yes. Like and subscribe. Super. Excellent. Excellent. All of you will do today? Okay. Students, hope that you are able to understand the part, and slowly I am just working more number of problems day by day. 2 by 3 is not 0.44. It is 2 by 3 is 0.6666. That's all. And one, before I wind up my session, I want you to clap one big clap to all of you loudly, because on the holiday you are so much you are studying means something you are stepping ahead towards your chartered accountancy. You have come with a dream of becoming chartered accountant. Request all of you. I just close it. Okay. I know you have come with an intention to become a chartered accountant, and interestingly, I'll tell one important statement so that I will be closing the session. I know it's 6:31. One sentence, super. Students, shall I tell you? Super. Students, if at all you are interested to become chartered accountant, listen carefully. If you are interested to become chartered accountant, I will not guarantee that you become chartered accountant. Innocent ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Repeat once again. If you are interested to become chartered accountant, I will not guarantee that you become a chartered accountant one day. It may or may not. If you are committed to become a chartered accountant, no energy in this world will stop you to become chartered accountant. Request all of you to be committed in this course. I know there could be odd hours, extra, all that will reward to you the moment you become a chartered accountant. The brand what you carry as a CA, it is enormous. Hope that all of you are committed to become chartered accountant, not just interested. You just work towards it so that one day you prefix the two letters, golden letters, the alphabets of trust. Alphabets of trust in this India is called as CA. That's what you are going to wear. With that, I am going to conclude today's session. Thank you very much for your patientful listening. Tomorrow at 4:45 we'll meet it. Tomorrow I'll continue till another 5-10 minutes extra. Tomorrow you mentally prepare that we are discussing till 6:45. 5 to 6:45 tomorrow session. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thanks for all your responses, and you have been amazing audience to me. These notes will send to you. Today's notes will be sent to you. You can, I just unmuted. You can unmute and you can raise the questions. Thank you.